This is regressive, but this is progressive. This is objectification of women, but this one is empowering women. This is what a bad father does to his daughter, and this is how a father should treat his daughter. Now Bollywood's dumb, filthy and immoral class is over. These druggy, immoral bastards are just the puppets who will do anything for money. They have proven it many times in the past again and again. Expecting morale and honesty from these clowns is like expecting a wolf to be vegetarian. So now let's hit the reality. Manyavar earns revenue by selling their clothes every year on our festivals, be it Diwali, Dussehra or wedding. Their whole existence is dependent upon us and our tradition. But these filthy dumps are using our own money against our tradition now, taking forward the narrative that Hinduism is regressive. Lecturing, pinpointing, demeaning our beliefs, that too without any research. Has they ever made any ad on burqa, triple talaq or halala? In the current case, they not only questioned the Kanyadan but also gave their final verdict that we treat our daughters as object. Let's debunk all their points one by one and expose their idiocy, illiteracy and shallowness at the same time.
पर ये भी नहीं कहा कि ना मैं पराई हूँ ना धन.
So, the ad depicts doubters considered as property or wealth. But the fact is, dhan is a Sanskrit word which doesn't mean only wealth. Dhan actually represents something that is loved and considered immensely valuable. That's point number 1. Point number 2, not only daughters but even sons are considered as dhan and called as putradhan. Apart from these, even vidya or knowledge, like any other valuable thing, is also considered as dhan.
किसी और के हाथ सौंपा जाना, मैं कोई दान करने की चीज हूँ.
The ad questions why only women for charity. Again, don't put on your idiotic perception and convert it into sick reality. The dhan in Kanyadan is not the charity that you corrupts do to turn your black money into white. This dhan is again cannot be equated as charity of wealth or property. It has got much wider and deeper meaning, which is much pious and sacred. That's why we use Vidya Dhan and Jivan Dhan. Also, just like Kanyadan, there is Putra Dhan too. So do come out of your binary even for once, just to see how much filth you dumps carry.
क्यों सिर्फ कन्यादान? नया आइडिया, कन्यामान.
The ad's misinformed preaching doesn't stop here, but they also command us to move from Kanyadan to Kanyaman, as Kanyadan is insulting to women. Have you ever heard of mantras chanted during Kanyadan? It depicts parent of the daughter as Varun Dev, the god of sea, daughter itself as Surya Dev, and the groom as Vishnu Dev, the god of sky. So Kanyadan can be best depicted as the sun rising above sea to the sky for a new beginning. If that's insulting for you, then don't write any poetry next time while seeing the sunrise on a beach. And Manyavar, you're out of my list. Now, I'm not going to spend even single penny on you.